So I lived in the barracks for about 4 years. I was living in a tiny space and I kind of just realized I really didn't need that much stuff. But I took a trip to Costa Rica, met a guy that was actually living in a van, and he explained to me, how simple his life is and pretty much how living in a house was pretty much just an expensive storage unit, which I loved, which when he told me that, that stuck with me so much. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Arthur Bourdain. This is Vincent Van Gogh. It's a 2018 Ford Transit, 250. Just got it a couple months ago. 136-inch wheelbase. Super sick, love it. Builder of the entire van was San Diego Camper Vans, located here in San Diego. Did an amazing job. All right, so the lower right corner, got a pull-out toilet, compost toilet. Haven't used it yet. Still waiting to use that. Just don't want the van to smell, so I try to avoid that as much as possible. Up top, got a drawer up top, basic toiletries, toothpaste, deodorant, hair gel, nothing too crazy. Got my closet right here. Pretty much the only thing that I custom built inside the van. Mountains of Calling, I Must Go, John Muir quote. Me leaving the city, going into the forest, I now walk into the wild. Chris McCandless quote, if you read Into the Wild. And, hopefully one day I'll be a mountain man. I don't know. Up top, we got our food closet, vitamins, bananas, cacao nibs. Most of the stuff just stays in the cabinet for months and I just end up throwing it away. Got our sink, soap pump right here. This connects to a 20-gallon water tank down below in the back. Dumps into a 5-gallon water tank. Honestly, you only really have to empty that maybe every 2 to 3 weeks. Clean it out maybe every 6 months. And yeah, does a pretty good job. So we got our 5-gallon water tank right there. Like I said, we have to empty that maybe every 2 to 3 weeks, not too often. Besides that, just all of my basic cleaning gear. We got some coffee cups as well. Love my coffee, so got to keep that around. For the wood, we got butcher block for the countertops. So I picked the backsplash out. Thought it was pretty sick. So yeah, decided to choose that out. So up top, we got my key holder. Holds my hats. Just got an English ivy plant maybe 2 weeks ago. Looked really good. Found the hands somewhere in my closet. I was gonna toss them out, but thought they would add to the van in some way, so I just threw those onto the key lock. Down below, we got the butcher block again. This is like my cutting area, pretty much my kitchen. This is where I cut all my vegetables, fruits, meats at. I'm an aviation technician for the military, U.S. Navy, located in Coronado, California right now. This is my little workstation as well. So if I'm not working on base, then I'm just working off-site right in this little area right here. Down below, fully stocked fridge, pretty big. I got all my meal prep for the week. Got my coffee, obviously, definitely need that. Fruits, vegetables, everything I need. So I got this drawer right here. This is pretty much my miscellaneous drawer. Besides that, this is just a random assortment of crap that I have that I still haven't found a place for, so looking for a place. So up top, we got our microwave, 700 watt. Got my portable fan. That's awesome. That's a must-have inside of a fan. Over here we have my amps, my wattage, brought to you by Victron Energy. That connects up Bluetooth to your phone. So if you're not in the van, you can just look that up on your phone. We got the light switch, comes with a dimmer as well. So if you want a little brighter, set the mood, lower it down a little bit. Up top we got the fan. Say I'm laying down, I'm a little lazy, get tired, got the remote right here. Just click power, sets it off. Got a good airflow coming through here whenever I want. This is where I do my hair at. Got a mirror in here just so I can have myself look good every single morning. All right, so this is my up front spot. Just recently I put in a swivel seat by Swivels R Us. Got that off their website. Besides that, not too much going on up front. We got some storage space up top. I keep some books up there, whatever I'm reading that week. I'll just keep it up top. So this is my garage for options from SD Camper Vans. You could have gone with a straight bed platform or a dinette set, so have a table couch. I decided I needed more room, and eventually I'm gonna have both my bikes down here as well as some gym equipment. Right now I just moved out the barracks, so kind of moving everything out and moving everything into the van, taking up a lot of space, but eventually I'll whittle it down to just the bare necessities. In the back, we got 2 lithium batteries. We got the 2,000 watt power inverter. But yeah, besides that, I keep a steady charge pretty much anywhere I go. And if I went boondocking with no sun, I could most likely power most of the stuff in my van for a good 4 to 5 days. So I got my Burn backpack right here. Both are actually Burns. I travel, I backpack a lot. Most recently, I went to Germany for Oktoberfest. Went there for like 2 weeks, and pretty much everything I needed was just in one backpack the entire time. Besides that, I go out to Yosemite. Catch me in Yosemite a lot. Catch me in Sequoia, Big Bear, whenever. So yeah, so whenever I'm out there, I just always have one good backpack with me, and that's all I need. So I got my wetsuit right here. I do triathlons from time to time, so water out here in San Diego gets freezing. It's a lot different from Jacksonville, Florida, where I'm originally from. Used it in my first triathlon, and I placed 384 out of 400, so didn't help me too much, but yeah, it's great to have in the water. Here is my shower system right here. I can just hook it up to my door right here. So I have not used that yet. Obviously, I can't be in downtown San Diego on 4th and Broadway giving myself a shower. So eventually I will use that. You can connect a propane bottle up to it and get some heated water out of it. But again, still not have used it. That will come in time. Besides that, it's just old clothes and some cooking utensils and a cooking grill. I pretty much just do all my cooking outdoors. So I got my Coleman propane skillet right here. Just being able to have everything with me at all times, pretty much having the freedom to do what I want and not have to worry about, oh, I have to water my garden today. Oh, I have to pay utility bills today. It's just a lot simpler of a lifestyle. Yeah, water tank's empty right now.
Okay. Oh,
My bad, Travis.
that's all right.
A book about picking women up called Rules to the Game has not helped me out so far, as I'm still single, but maybe I'll read through it one more time and it'll help me out in the future.